Salut tout le monde! Bienvenue à une nouvelle édition de Parler le français avec Josué. Welcome to another edition of Speaking French with Josué. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce the letter C in French. And there are three major ways to pronounce the letter C. There's how you pronounce it when it's just the letter C by itself, when C is followed by H, and when C has a cedilla accent. Okay, let's start off by pronouncing the letter C with just itself and no special rule afterward. Okay, so C is pronounced very similar to English. Actually, it's exactly the same as in English when it's just on its own, and that is que. So, an example of a word that has C in it with no special rules is the word une cravate, which means tie, like a tie that you put on. So, repeat after me. Une cravate. Une cravate. Une cravate. Une cravate. Now you really hear the k sound there. Another word that starts with C is the word for heart in French, and that is un cœur. Repeat after me. Un cœur. Un cœur. And one more time. Un cœur. Okay, so C is pronounced also as a soft S, such as S, and it is pronounced that way when it has a cedilla accent. And a cedilla accent is basically a little squiggly underneath the C. How one would do that on an English keyboard, I'm not entirely sure, but on a French keyboard, it is right here. Right there. It's backwards, but you get the idea. Anyways, so an example of a word that has the cedilla is the word ça. And ça is basically a short form of the word cela, which means that. And it doesn't have a cedilla in cela, which is odd, but that's one of those words that break the rules just like in English. Yeah, exactly. So that break the rules just like in English. So, with the exception of cela, which has the soft S, all words in French that have the cedilla underneath the C has a soft S sound, such as in the word ça. Okay, another example that we're going to do for the letter C is the word chat. Un chat, which means cat, and that has an H after the C, and that has a sh sound just like SH in English, but the SH in English is the CH in French. So, repeat after me. Un chat. Un chat. Un chat. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot about la lettre C, the letter C, and don't be afraid to send me a comment or a message telling me about what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in future videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Okay, until next time, salut!